Merry Christmas everyone. Welcome to Sri Lankan Food Made Easy. Today I will be baking an easy tasty fruit cake which you can use it for Christmas, New Year's, any celebrations. These are the ingredients, all at room temperature. I already prepared 8 inches round cake tin, but you can use the square tin as well. I'm using mixed fruit, marinated in brandy for 3 days, but you can marinate overnight. I'm adding my butter into the mixture, but you can do it with your hands as well. You don't have to use the mixture. I'm adding muscovado sugar now. I'm just gonna mix it properly. Adding 5 eggs lightly beaten. Now I am adding mixed fruits to the cake. Mixing it together a little bit. Now I am adding glace cherries. I'm adding glace ginger now. And special thing I'm adding for this fruit cake, cashew nuts, chopped cashew nuts. Half an orange juice. I'm adding all my spices, nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, mixed spice, everything. Now I'm adding treacle. I'm adding 1.5 tea vanilla. I'm adding lemon zest, orange zest. Mixing together all the ingredients. I shifted self-raising flour and baking powder together and mix it properly. Now I'm going to add flour and baking powder. Mix it together. I did mix flour separately, but now I'm going to use the machine. I didn't want flour to go everywhere, that's why I'm just using just a sec. I'm going to put the cake batter into the tin now. I'm going to take a bit. Use my This goes to the oven 2 hours, 140 degrees. I'm going to put baking tray underneath. I already put 2 layers of baking paper, so it will stay nicely without burning. So these papers also I added like longer than normal cakes. It won't get burned. Two hours later, I'm going to take my cake out of the oven. I need to check the cake whether it's cooked properly. I'm going to insert middle of the cake this skewer and see whether it's come out clean. It is clean. Nothing there. That means it's cooked properly. I'm going to leave the cake to cool 40 to 45 minutes. Now that the cake is cooled, glaze the cake with the warm honey to ensure that the cake stays moist. You can also use apricot jam, but I am using honey. Now I am decorating the cake with marzipan and top of that royal icing. This is my finished cake. I hope you enjoy making this cake and have a nice Christmas.